So this is how you can redeem gift cards on Roblox. Now, if you just go on ahead and open up the Roblox mobile app, you won't actually see anything. What you're going to want to do is open up a browser, like for example Safari, and then search for roblox.com/redeem. And once you do, it's going to ask you to log into Roblox. So just simply log in, because if you don't, then what are you redeeming your code into? Because you're gonna need an account in order to claim your code. So once you log in, you will be met with this screen right here. Redeem Roblox codes. So it says enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below, here in the code section. So just simply type in your code and then tap on that box. By checking the box, you acknowledge that you are at least 18 years old or that you are the parent or legal guardian of the account. So if you're under 18, you should get a legal guardian to write this code for you, because that is how it is legally done. But yeah, the main takeaway from this video is that you have to go to roblox.com/redeem in order to redeem codes. Make sure you sign in and then just paste the code over here and tap on redeem after you tap on that box. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.